everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about wrapping paper. First, if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. And as always, give me a thumbs up, helps out with YouTube's analytics. All right, wrapping paper. What sort of prep is wrapping paper? Well, it's one of those preps that most people don't think about because it helps to promote mental stability. Because when it comes to someone's birthday and you got a present for them and it's not wrapped, it's kind of a bummer for a lot of people. Oh man, they really don't care about it. Okay. And hey, what's coming up here in a month or two? Christmas. And kids just love having wrapping paper on their presents. All right. So that's one of the things that you really should start thinking about and getting in stock. And believe it or not, there's still people giving that stuff away at garage sales. They haven't realized, oh, I'm going to need this in a couple months. Sometimes you can pick up some really old stuff, and don't get on me here. Some of the old stuff is kind of neat because kids see something that's old school with the patterns and designs, and to them it's new because it's not been around. And they get excited about it. All right, the old Santa Claus pictures, like the old Coca-Cola classic Santa Claus, and some of the other ones. Their kids really get off on that stuff. All right, and that's the thing is you want to keep their morale up during the wintertime, especially if there's something happens and we have the balloon goes up, the poop has hit the fan, whatever you want to call it, and things aren't really good. You want to make sure that the kids' spirits are kept up. All right. And as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep on prepping, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.